Hey guys, let's go check out the Space Needle. Hurry, Princess, we gotta catch our flight. We're here, Seattle, Washington. The Space Needle. Let's go. Elevators will take us to the observation deck, 520 feet above the ground in just 41 seconds. We're at the top. Space Needle boasts the world's first and only revolving glass floor. If you're scared of heights, this isn't for you. Let's get down and get ready for the fireworks. Another awesome trip.